This is a 2022 Kingston 2-horse Newport with a dressing room. The Newport is the side ramp model from Kingston. This is one of our first 3 Kingston trailers that came in today. We're really excited to add these to our exceptional lineup of trailers here at Trailer Country LLC. The Newport is very beautifully made, has a lot of nice features, and again, we are super excited to have Kingstons here on our lot. So this is one of 3 that came today. I got a classic elite with bumper pull, or with dressing room, excuse me, a classic elite bumper pull with dressing room and a classic elite bumper pull without dressing room. You can see those on our site at trailercountryllc.com. And then here is our Newport, which is a 2-horse bumper pull with a dressing room and a side ramp. This has been one of my most favorite parts about the Kingston trailers is how beautifully they have finished this diamond plate. The attention to detail in these Kingston trailers is really exciting. We don't always see that in horse trailers, but their striping is really beautiful. They've done an excellent job of keeping it within the lines, we should say. And I just think that that's so cool that they've trimmed out their diamond plate in such a pretty way. I can't say I've ever seen that on a horse trailer before. It just really finishes the look, so that's great. As you can see, there are 2 sliding windows in the nose here of the Kingston trailers that I have. We've got a sliding window in our dressing room door and a nice big brush box mounted there on the dressing room. We've got a running board that acts as a step here on this side of the trailer. 2 folding saddle racks in the dressing room. Bridle hooks with carpet behind them. A sliding window from the horse area to the dressing room. Oh, rubber mats, because that's our favorite in a dressing room, is a rubber mat on the floor versus carpet. We've got a blanket bar that runs here underneath of the nose windows. And then a full length clothing bar, or full width, excuse me, runs the full width of the dressing room. Nice size dressing room here in this Kingston Newport. Here's our side ramp. That's a nice wide side ramp. I'll have to measure it for you. Unfortunately, I have not memorized the specs on these trailers yet. That's a pretty wide side ramp. I'm kind of feeling like it's larger than 48 inches, but just confirm with me if that's going to be important for you. Nice big space here in front of the horse heads. Again, I have not memorized the specs on these trailers, so don't quote me on these. We should just confirm if that's an important measurement for you. We've got again, that sliding window from the horse area to the dressing room, our pop-up roof vents, our padded removable divider, padded butt bar, padded breast bar, and padded sidewalls. We've got a wooden floor in the Kingston with rubber mats. I don't think I mentioned, sorry, I'm doing 3 videos in a row, so I forget what was said and what wasn't. The Kingston is an aluminum trailer. It's an aluminum floor, aluminum frame, all aluminum, which is aluminum frame, aluminum skin, aluminum roof, and a wooden floor. Wooden floor in the Kingston, but aluminum frame, aluminum skin, aluminum roof. Nice big LED light bar back there in the back of the trailer. That's going to light this thing up great when it's dark outside. I'll show you our wooden floor here underneath of these rubber mats. Again, there's that running board on the opposite side that acts as a step into our escape door. So we've got a nice wide side ramp on one side and a full-size escape door on the other. This side ramp has a top curtain with a sliding window, so you're going to get lots of ventilation there coming in through that trailer. Throw up this side ramp. Nice light side ramp. Nice keyed latches so you can lock that thing all up. Let me try to do this one hand here. Get that top door shut. So there is the side ramp on this here Kingston Newport. Again, we've got that aluminum piece of running board as a step. We've got aluminum fenders. I'm gonna go ahead and shut this door while I'm over here. 15-inch steel wheels on this trailer, 15-inch. Spare tire mounted on the outside with a Kingston tire cover. We've got LED running lights, penny lights on the fenders, amber in the front, red in the back. Big brake lights here across the bottom and one across the top. We've got an LED load light up there. We've got a switch in the dressing room for the interior light. Here's a switch here on the outside, which operates that porch light there. Porch light. And then there are some switches behind this door that are going to be, I think that's where they are, that are going to be for our interior and load light in our horse area here. So again, I'm going to throw that nice light ramp up with one arm. Rear ramp here. This Kingston trailer, all the Kingstons, they feel super, super roomy inside. So they are going to accommodate your largest horses. They're very open and inviting inside and feel incredibly roomy. Got great latches. Everything is really secure on this trailer. Rear ramp with top doors over. Those top doors do have sliding windows for maximum airflow. Again, this is my third Kingston in a row, as we just got 3 today, our first 3 Kingstons. So I hope I have gotten you most of the information in this one. If not, maybe check out one of the other ones. All the details are also listed on our website at trailercountryllc.com. Sorry, one-handed here. This trailer is 3,500 pounds empty, just so you're aware. 3,500 pounds empty weight on this side ramp Newport. 7,000 pound GVWR, so it has 2 3,500 pound Dexter torsion axles. Nice big sliding hip windows on these trailers. I really like how big those windows are there. Again, we've got a running board acting as a step here at our escape door. Metal tie backs that are spring loaded, so when you're not using them, they just suction themselves there against the wall, which is nice. Make sure that shut itself. Really pretty trailers, exceptional construction, really nice attention to details. Sorry, the sun's making this a little bit blurry today. All the specs and details can be seen on our website at trailercountryllc.com. If you're looking for a specific measurement for something, if you're looking to use that front space for something in particular, and you need to know exactly how much footage we have and how wide that side ramp is, reach out to me. I don't mind getting you that information. Again, the trailer is located at Trailer Country LLC in Carrollton, Virginia. We're a brand new Kingston dealer, and I've got 3 on the lot as of right this minute. So give us a call and let us help you with one.